begin our tour of the brewhouse, you can see the intricate network of pipes connecting the mash tun, the lauter tun, and the brew kettle.
The freshly milled grain, or grist, is now directed into the mash tun. This initiates the mashing process. Mash tun, the automated rake slowly stirs the mixture of milled grain and hot water, known as the mash.
Now that the desired temperature is reached, the mash settles, beginning the crucial process of converting starch to sugar.
The clear wort begins to slowly drain through the natural filter bed created by the grain husks.
Following recirculation, the wort is efficiently transferred from the lauter tun via this network of stainless steel pipes towards the next stage of the boil.
The amber wort is now transferred from the lauter tun into the brew kettle. Here, it will be brought to a boil before the hops are added.
We initiate the boil within the brew kettle. This vigorous activity is essential for extracting the bittering compounds from the hops.
As the wort reaches a turbulent boil, we initiate the hop additions. The intense heat facilitates the crucial isomerization process.
A second measured addition of hop pellets is released into the boiling wort. These aromatic hops react quickly, releasing fragrant oils.
The vigorous rolling boil now subsides into a gentle simmer. The hot break formation is complete.
The whirlpool action has ceased, and the wort is beginning to settle. The concentrated cone of trub
beaker contains the yeast slurry, which is now pitched into the fresh wort line just before it enters the conical fermentation vessel.
The time-lapse captures the onset of fermentation. The steady stream of CO2 bubbles through the airlock.
In the fermentation cellar, the yeast begins its work. At a microscopic level, we see the conversion of glucose into ethanol and CO2 gas. The filtration process is now fully engaged, operating at peak efficiency. As the beer flows through the filtration system, it is then transferred to these bright beer tanks, the final stage before packaging. The macro lens reveals the intricate stability of the foam, a testament to the precise fermentation controls we implemented earlier.